I got some parts in today. I'm not sure what they are, because obviously I have a few different jobs I'm doing. One is the brakes on the Grand Prix, and another is parts on for my friend's car. So let's just see what they are. Crap. Thank you, Jeff. Good old rock auto special. Ah, wow. More air bubbles. Air bubbles. Alright. Well, that's brake pads. More brake pads. And now, yeah, this is my Grand Prix stuff. So, that's easy to know. Yeah. Air pads. Oh, sorry, not brake pads. Tie rod ends. Wait, what the fuck? I had 2 tie rod ends I ordered, but it's... Okay. Different sizes of box. Or no, they're not. Okay. I'm gonna double check, verify, because they have the same number. But... Ew. So today's one is an old Mercedes. So we'll just slap that on the bottom of that computer case. Well, that's doing its job. CarQuest air filter. Let's just check to see what these are. You gotta always make sure, because if you don't, you'll get like my tie rod ends, or sorry, my motor mounts for the Mustang. They're not the same. Tie rod end. Tie rod end. Okay, they match. So that is what they are. Comes with a grease nipple right there. Goes in that. Your simple crown nut with a cotter pin, and then your lock nut. And this washer goes on that crown pin or on the crown nut to lock it up in place. Yeah, and that's your lock for the actual inner tie rod. So that's that. On this package, I have no idea what this is either. I got some kind of Mazda, little truck, mini truck. The new one from again. Bam. Throw that there. Start packing. Spoil seals. So yeah. So. Yeah, axle shaft seals, that's exactly what they are. So, that's your left and right side. This is for Toyota Corolla 2009 with the 1.8 liter engine, 4-cylinder. Not for me, it's for a friend. I'm gonna get that done. So, yeah, that's awesome. I'm gonna check this air filter, make sure it actually is what it is, and not just like some piece of crap. It is still a piece of crap paper filter, but it's new and clean because the Grand Prix needs it before winter. Yeah, there we go. So, I'm Duff, the guy from middle of nowhere. Like, subscribe, comment, you know. There's gonna be more stuff. We're gonna, next video for after this one here is probably gonna be the Grand Prix brakes and not brakes. Already did those. Tie rod ends and the air filter. Show you how to do that. Because it's actually the air filter. I've done this before. This is not as easy as you think. You can't just open it up and get it in. You actually have to remove a couple bolts for support. And yeah, I'll show you how to do that. Like always, have a good one.